What's the one belief about KDP or online business that you used to teach or strongly believe that you, oh shit, this is a Brian. I like you, Brian Cohen. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh man. Okay. I got it. I got it. Skills. Skills. Anything in this business can be learned. I said earlier, like I used to not know anything about ads. And so I knew ads were important. And so I had to learn how to master ads. And ads are now like my favorite thing in the business. And so if that statement is true, that everything is a skill, anybody can learn a skill. And so if anyone can learn a skill, that means anybody can be successful in this business. And that's the coolest thing, right? Because now, right, we had quite a few people in India, right? Do you know how hard this business was 5 years ago, 6 years ago for Indians or people in third world countries? Like, do you have any idea how hard this business was? Because the barrier of entry was massive. It was like the barrier of entry was like $1,000 minimum because you had to pay somebody to write the book. And then you had to pay for somebody for a cover and then an A+, and then ads. And now people with like zero money to their name can write a book for free. They can make a cover. They can make A+. They can do all of that completely for free. And I have yet to see another business where you can do that. And I think that is the most important thing. And shit, did that really like, I don't know if that fully answered your question, Brian. I hope it did.